JavaScript can also be placed in an external file with extension name .js, and we can link it to the HTML file where we want to use it. The benefit of this type of JavaScript files is that it can be used in more than one HTML files if required. If we are writing JavaScript inside HTML and we need it in 50 different HTML files, then we have to write it 50 different times. But we can write an external JavaScript file and link it to all the required 50 HTML files. That will solve our problem and it will speed our process. Then second benefit, it keeps the HTML code simple and clearer. If we are mixing HTML and JavaScript, it will be clumsy. But writing it in another file makes the code simpler. Cached JavaScript files speed up page loading. Remember, no need to write script tag within external JavaScript file. We will only use the script tag within HTML document. And this time, we will give the link of the JavaScript file by using the syntax src equal file name. So within open script tag, we will use src attribute to mention the source file name. This statement can also be used within head tag or body tag as explained earlier. If you are using within head tag, then our program may slow, and if you are using at the end of body tag, then the program's loading time will be much better. Let us see the example. JavaScript files can also be written using any normal text editor, but its extension name should be JS, and the HTML extension name we know HTML. So here this document.write, this statement I wrote in a JavaScript file named myfile3.js, and in the HTML file I mentioned the source src equal myfile3.js within double quotes. Okay, and here within script tag, previously I am writing the JavaScript codes now, but in this case I will write all the JavaScript codes within myfile3.js. And here in JavaScript file, no need to use script tag. So let us run the program and we will see the same output as we are seeing when we are writing JavaScript code within HTML document.